Okay, this is the this is the ramp for the box truck. Gavin's box truck out there. Guy traded him a motorcycle for it, so we are making a ramp that will go right in that little pocket, slide all the way out and attach up to here somehow, and run out so he can load his motorcycles in. And this is the frame that we have, a 2x1 by 1/8 inch wall on both sides, steel tube, and then a little 1-inch tube crossing about every 2 feet. And then in between we have it doubled up with another 2x1 so we can overlap our sheets. All right, this is the ramp after we have it welded and painted. We're attaching the aluminum diamond plate treads. We've just snapped a chalk line on all our studs, and then we're coming back here and putting these little pop rivets in so it looks pretty clean. So we'll get all those screwed down, and then we will create a latch system to hold it in once it's done. Here are the wheels. So they hang down just a little bit. And that'll allow it to roll into the pocket of that truck. All right, this is it, sitting on the truck. Got it all riveted down. We just put 2 hitch pins right down through there, so it's a pretty quick assembly. It looks pretty clean. There's the wheels that help it roll in. Now we're going to load a bike on it. Okay, here's the ramp done. Put a couple of orange handles, just cut off a ratchet strap. Right now it is hooked up to the truck. So we have our hitch pins, and then we'll just pull these out to drop it down. Oh, those wheels are nice. And then the final pin to lock it so nobody steals it. Beauty. Never going anywhere.